Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use Otter AI with Microsoft Teams. Firstly, go to Otter AI and create an account if you don't have one, and make sure you're on a paid plan if you want advanced features like live transcription during Teams meetings. Now log into Otter AI and go to Apps and Integrations. Look for Microsoft Teams and click Connect. Then sign in with your Microsoft account and follow and allow Otter AI to access your Teams meetings. Otter AI can automatically join scheduled meetings, or you can manually start transcription. Make sure the meeting is scheduled in the same Microsoft account link to Otter AI, and during the meeting, open Otter AI and click Record or Start Live Transcription. Otter AI will transcribe the conversation in real time, highlighting speakers and capturing dialogue accurately. Now, after the meeting, Otter AI saves the transcript to your account. You can edit or highlight important parts, export as a PDF, or even share the transcript with colleagues via a link or email. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.